Hi guys, let me show you our latest sheetrock drywall work that we do right now in Princeton, New Jersey. So as you see, all the drywall in the house is brand new. This is a 7,200 square foot house in the heart of Princeton that we removed the entire drywall, we removed the insulation from the exterior walls, and we installed brand new drywall. Everything here, the electrician installed brand new outlets, lights. So all that is brand new. As you see, we did the installation, we spackled the walls, we applied 3 coats of plaster, we sand it, and then we're ready to prime. This is a condition of ready to prime after the 1 coat of primer, 2 coats of paint. As you see, the finish is level 5. We call it level 5. That the painters that come after us, it doesn't have to sand anything. We just have to start priming. We did all the application of the joint compound and the sanding. This is the family room. See, it's a very impressive room. We did a high ceiling and it's facing the backyard. So this is like, kind of a high ceiling here. Windows and doors are brand new also. The only thing that's still standing here from the last owner was the framing, but the drywall is brand new. As you see, this is the first floor, and let me show you the second floor. We did some special sheetrock for the bathrooms, wherever we use water, like bathrooms, wet rooms. So this is one of the bathroom in the house. As you see, all the cement board, we installed brand new cement board for the bathroom, and then drywall. You see the purple and kind of like blue drywall. This is for water resistant walls, all that, because all this will be tiles. All this section will be tiles. The floor will be tiles. We're going to have a stone on the curb, big stone, and all this will be tiles. The walls will be tiles. We still have to finish the gaps to close the gap with a mesh, but this is a cement board. This is like literally water resistant wall. And you've got, for the moisture, you've got the purple and blue walls. So this is what we install in bathroom, all bathrooms. Also the windows, brand new window. The floor, we will have also brand new floors, the new tiles, new sink, new toilet. Okay, we're here in the second floor of the house. All that is a brand new drywall. We put a regular sheetrock in this room. And you see also we installed brand new windows on the entire house, like completely renovation. The plywood, we installed brand new, and we also reinforce it into the floor to make sure that it's really like strong. We don't have any noise while we're walking on the floor. So brand new drywall. We made already the holes. The electrician did the holes. And then we have here the other kids' room. They have 6 bathrooms. 6 bathrooms in this house. Each bedroom has a bathroom. And this bathroom is kind of big. We've got the regular drywall for this bedroom. And you can see this bathroom, it's a bigger bathroom than the other one, and they've got the biggest niche possible. I can show you the niche here. You see the blue walls, moisture resistant, and the cement boards, water resistant. And this is humongous niche. Usually people ask us to install like small niche like this size, but this is a big niche. They can put here the soaps. This is still the kids' room or the guest room. As you see, you're going to install here the new floors, new tiles on the floor, new tiles on the wall, new toilet, new sink, vanity, new window, brand new fan. Big investment, but beautiful job. So far, the client is very satisfied. This is the closet. See, brand new drywall. Yeah, we need here probably like another 30 days to complete the entire project. We still have to install trims around the windows, and of course electric work, and then we will start the painting. Everything here is brand new walls and brand new ceiling. See, it's moisture resistant. The purple walls. We installed here brand new windows, Marvin windows. They are excellent. They gave us warranty for many years. They're kind of like PVC material from the outside, wood from the outside, PVC from the inside. Brand new wall, moisture resistant. Here they're going to have also the shower, the bathroom. All this is standing shower and the tub, standing shower and tub. The entire space is moisture resistant. Moisture resistant walls, as you see. And we already applied the spackle. You see the spackle to close the gap between the sheets. So we applied the spackle here. We taped it. We applied 3 coats of spackle here, and it's dust free. already clean, vacuum machine, ready for the painters to start painting here. So all this, it's like kind of like it's a unit next to the big house. The house, you see, it's like almost more than 7,000 square foot house. It's kind of like a small unit. They used to have a pool outside. Probably the new homeowner will install a brand new pool. This probably is going to be a place to shower after the swimming. But you see, it's a big space, and we're going to install the floors probably in a few weeks. And we still have to install, you know, the casing around the windows, the base molding around the wall, the floor. So we still have some work here. Probably this section will take us 4 days to complete. The house itself, we're going to need probably like 1 month. Brand new insulation, all walls, brand new insulation, brand new electric work, everything past the code of the township. So we are ready. We need probably like 30 days to complete the entire house project. So this is the exterior of the house. It's the same house as we just took a video inside to show you the interior of the drywall. So all that is a brand new paint. As you see here, we've got here already 2 coats. We still have to come back and do some touch-ups because there were many contractors here. We probably had here probably like 12 contractors at the same time. We had the roofers, we had the floor installers, we have the drywall installers, the stone installers. So we still have to go back, obviously, and do lots of touch-up. We're going to clean the house first and do the touch-ups. But as you see here, we've got here, we already painted some section. We painted 1 coat. We're supposed to apply the second coat on Saturday, this coming Saturday, if it won't rain. And then some section have already the 2 coats, and it looks like clean look, beautiful. As you know, all the windows are brand new windows. And then see here, this section, I believe we got already 2 coats. We might going to apply the 3rd coat just to make sure that it's look clean and sharp for the new homeowners. The stones, brand new stone, stucco. The team painting today, they're painting all the fascia board along the roof. As you see here, all the boards along the roof. Also in the 3 dormers, we painted 2 coats of the fascia board. The fascia board is the board that's facing us, and it's running along the roof. Some part of the roof is shingles and some parts are metal roof. It's a humongous project, but beautiful project. As you see, all the windows, brand new Marvin windows. Looks beautiful. So far, everything, you know, it's a new construction. We have the challenges, but so far it's going really well. We're probably going to finish the inside, and then we will come outside and finish all the cleaning and the final touch-ups.